guys, how's it going? Today we've got another cool horn battle to look at. So today we've got a Nathan Airchime K5LA versus a Nathan Airchime K5HL. So these horns are pretty different when it comes to K horns to each other. They have several different bells on them. So anyway, your K5LA, it's got a 1, a 2, a 3A, 4A, and a 5. The K5HL has a 1L, a 1, a 2, a 3, and a 4. So 3 and a 4 on this horn, 3A, 4A on this horn. Also, you got a 1L. So we're missing the 5. This horn has a 5 on it, which is your smallest K bell. This horn has a 1L on it, which is the largest K bell. So anyway, both of these horns are brand new horns. This is going to be like mid 2021. It's a 130. It's a 131K horn, so 130,000K horn. This is a 133K horn. This horn is actually December 17th, so it is very new, which this one is too. So anyway, both brand new K horns. These horns, a lot of people would say the K5HL maybe is a little louder due to the 1L. It's a little bit of a lower tone. It's quite a bit of a lower tone actually than the K5LA. K5LA is going to be more high pitched. Anyway, both great sounding horns, both of them extremely loud. So one interesting thing you'll see in the video is the K5LA, you can quill it a lot better, I guess. It sounds better quilling. That number 5 comes in, and then all of them, all the other bells come in. Whereas the K5HL, all the bells kind of like to come in together. You still can quill it, but the K5LA is much more noticeable as far as quilling. So anyway, it's one thing I like about the K5LA. It just, man, it sounds great quilling it. So anyway, y'all enjoy this. This is the 2021 raised letter K5HL versus a 2021 raised letter K5LA.